project, I aim to create a low-cost way for non-machine learning experts to accurately monitor endangered species populations using drone images. Currently, animal populations have been rapidly declining around the world, and state-of-the-art object detection models have less than 5% accuracy on drone images. Additionally, current drones for object detection cost upwards of $40,000, meaning that they're not easily accessible. My project had three main goals. First, developing and training a foundation model for many species in drone images. Second, creating an easily accessible workflow for a wide range of species. And third, implementing a solution on hardware for real-time species detections. Throughout the process, I learned the importance of monitoring species populations in order to understand how these are changing over several years and understand, especially for endangered species populations, their migration patterns. My project was inspired by a wildlife refuge in New Mexico where I live called Bosque del Apache Wildlife Refuge. And I've been going there every year since I was little, but recently the bird populations there have been rapidly decreasing. I did some research and found out that this is not only for birds in New Mexico, but for species around the world. I learned of declining animal populations first from the refuge, but my research spanned birds, dogs, humans, and even elephants and giraffes from wildlife refuges in Africa. I wanted to help not just the people working at refuges in my home state, but park rangers around the world. I am planning on continuing with this research. I didn't want to just stop after science fair. Instead, I actually founded a company called Drone, in which I'm making my technology openly available to customers around the world so that non-machine learning experts can train machine learning models on their own data, no matter what the object they're detecting is, from bats to humans to even speeding cars. I see this project as a long-term effort for my future in this company and trying to expand it throughout my high school career and also after that. I'm not sure about my exact college plans quite yet, especially as I'm only a freshman, but some of my main interests include computer science and the environment, as well as medicine. Some advice I would give to students looking to integrate humane methods into their scientific efforts is to just follow your passion and what species you're trying to help, and that will really show in your project. It'll show that you're actually trying to help them if you really have a passion for it. I'm very grateful for this award, and I'm glad that my research is able to have a very broad impact on not just park rangers, but communities around the world in order to monitor endangered species populations and determine changes in these populations over several years. Thank you.